Hello and welcome. In today's video, I'll be showing you very important Blender tips. 3 of them are related to beveling, 1 is related with vertices, and the other is related to subdivision. So it's going to be short and sweet, straight to the point. So let's get started. So the first problem that you're going to have with beveling is, in this situation, when you try to bevel, it's not beveling from the middle. And the way you'd fix this is by selecting the model, pressing Ctrl A and applying the rotation and scale. Now it's going to bevel from the middle. Now, the second thing that you want to know about in terms of beveling is, let's say that you want to make this look like an arc. So if I select these 2 vertices and bevel them, you see it overlaps. So the way we'd fix this is by enabling clamp by pressing C. So if you bevel and then press C, you see it's going to end and it's going to make you the perfect arc that you're looking for. Now, the third Blender tip is very important. Let's say that you want to make stairs. Instead of doing it in a very, very slow way like this, so extruding, 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 and extruding. You see, it's not going to be perfect. You're going to make this mistake, for example, just like how I did. So if we undo everything, I'll show you a very, very easy way you could make stairs. So for the cube, make it to be the overall size of the stairs. So for my case, it's going to be like this. And you're going to select this edge, bevel it, and you're going to go here to the profile type, make it custom. The preset is going to be steps. So now if we undo, and let me make the cube to be something like this. Now if I bevel, you see this is how it looks. Now let's say that you want to add more segments, just use your scroll wheel, and it's going to make you add more segments. The third Blender tip that's very important is, as you see here, we have overlapping vertices. So the way you fix this is by pressing A, M, and merge by distance. This is going to merge every vertex that's overlapping by the distance. Now, here is another very common subdivision problem that you're probably going to face. The reason this is happening is because this is an n-gon. Now, what is an n-gon? Well, if I add a cube here, and I bevel it, you see, you don't get the same problem. Let's even insert this and insert this, because this is a polygon. Now, a polygon is pretty much any face that's made out of these 4 vertices. But in this case, you see, this face is made out of a shit ton of vertices. So the way you'd fix this is, there are 2 ways. The first way you could do it is by inserting and then inserting again. That's one way to fix it. Or instead of doing the second insert, just delete this face, select these edges, go to face and grid fill. This is going to make you have clean topology. Now let's do the same thing here. So insert, delete the faces, select these edges and face and grid fill. Now we're going to add a loop cut to support them. And there you go. You have perfect topology and perfect shading. So that's going to wrap it up. If you like this type of content, make sure to subscribe and see you inside of the next video.